I'm going to show you how to set up and assign vehicle locations in MotorDesk. So we just need to go to Business and then Locations. The locations we have are kept here, and we can add a new one just by typing in the name and then the address. Once you press Add Location, it'll appear alongside the others. Now when you go into Browse Vehicles, alongside any of the vehicles, you'll be able to see whether it's kept in a location or whether it doesn't yet have that data. You can quickly edit this in the Browse Vehicles section by checking the box on the left-hand side of the vehicle and then pressing Edit. And you can then choose the location there. Once you're finished, press Finish Editing. You can also filter by location in the Browse Vehicles section. So we can choose just to see the ones in the London showroom, and then in the Ipswich showroom, it will add those two together and display the results. When adding a new vehicle or editing a vehicle, in the initial overview, if you click this location icon here, you can choose to give it a location there. Finally, in the Business Workflows section, you can assign a different location to different tasks within a workflow. So as you can see here, the initial repairs are done in the London workshop, the MOT is in the London workshop, and then it's validated in Ipswich. You choose these upon creating the workflow, but you can also edit them at a later date.